Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Marketplace sample product. With this extension, the admin can allow his sellers to offer samples of their products and give customers a chance to try the products before making the actual purchase. Let's see how this extension works, and for that, I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's discuss module configuration first. From here, admin can set the number of sample products a customer can add in a single cart. If this field is enabled, then the stock of a product gets automatically updated when its sample is ordered. If this field is enabled, then only the registered customers can order a sample product, and if disabled, then both registered customers and guest users can order the sample product. After configuring the module settings, let's have a look at the seller end workflow. After the installation of the module, a new tab, Sample, gets available on the Update Product page. Under this tab, a seller can add details of a sample product, enable or disable the sample from here. Here, a seller needs to specify the maximum quantity of a sample product that a customer can add in a single cart. In this field, a seller can select the price type for sample product, and in these fields, the seller can specify the sample button name and description. A seller can set the price of a sample product in 5 different ways. Let's understand them one by one. The first option is product standard price. Select this option to charge the product's actual price for the sample. It means the customer has to pay the product price to buy a sample. The second option is deduct fixed amount from product price. This option let seller set the fixed amount to be deducted from product actual price. Suppose a seller has set $50 here. Now, the sample price of the product will be product price minus custom price. The third option is percentage of product price. This option enables sellers to set percent of product price that will be deducted from product actual price. Suppose a seller has set 10% here. Now, the sample price of the product will be product price minus 10% of product price, that is $90. The fourth option is custom price. With this option, the seller can set the custom price for the sample. And the last option is free sample. With this option, the seller can allow the customers to order the sample product for free. A customer needs to click here to buy sample of this product. After placing an order for the sample, a customer can view the sample product details on the order details page. And both seller and admin can view sample detail under orders.